Hey guys, welcome to Kyle and Ashley Unlimited. Today we're going to talk about several things that I found on Amazon that help make our trip more enjoyable and our flight and our traveling easier. Maybe you're not quite sure, what you want to bring. And usually your first time, you're going to forget a bunch of things, but that's okay because your second time is going to be better. And if you watch this, I'll make your first time even better. I know you heard me talk about these on a few of my videos, but I swear they're awesome. It keeps track of my luggage when we're in the airport or even on the ship. Did your bags make it to your room yet? Placeable battery, and the battery lasts up to a year. You sync these to your phone in the Find My app, which is a free app. Like if you lost it and it's nearby, you want to put these on keys or something. They do have a built-in speaker where you can play a sound and it'll just help you find it quicker. I got mine one for $27.50. They were on sale. Now it's one for $29, or you can get four for $99. We got these little cases for them. The cases are shockproof. It's a 360-degree protection. It's scratch resistant. One of these was $3.59. It's got a clear case, and then it's got like this silicone case, and then it came with either like a necklace strap or two different keychains, which I picked the keychain so I could put it on the inside zipper of my suitcase. Sorry for the snorting. I have Bruce down here by my feet. He's gonna be snorting. It's probably gonna be snoring at some point. I hope y'all aren't snoring. Originally, I bought these and they're very narrow. And even if you fold the paper right, it's too narrow. And they said they were for Carnival, but I got these in yesterday and I'm hoping that they're gonna be better. They didn't put their logo or anything on here, so it's not gonna block any of the words on the luggage tag. They're a lot thicker, okay, like the size of my hand. And it's like a Ziploc. The cable cords came in different colors. These, I can just keep them on my luggage, and as long as you're making sure after each cruise you're throwing away that paper, because you don't want your luggage to go somewhere else. I'll let you know how they work out on our cruise coming up in March of 2023. You're gonna love these. They're extra large, sand-free, microfiber towels, and they come in this carrying pouch. They're $25.99 a piece. They have different colors, different sizes, and the prices vary. What I love is they're portable. They're great for travel. Like I said, they are sand-free, so the sand does not stick to them. I got the 71 by 35 inches. It's machine washable, very good size, very soft. They got two sides of colors. I like the flowers with the blue and the pink. If the husband doesn't like it, then he can just use the black and white side, which he didn't mind the pink and blue at all. And I also like that they have this elastic stretchy band that's connected to it, because, on the umbrella, if you have one, we just hung it up there. When we got back to the cabin, hung it up there. Say subscribe to Kyle and Ashley Unlimited. See, you won't regret it. You want to see this cute face more, don't you? Sherlock TSA inspection indicator. This was $9.95. I like the 15-inch durable cable. It's got 3-digit combination, very easy to read. What I love about this is when we rented our golf cart, we took a backpack with us, and since it was our golf cart and we could take the key, we put this around all the zippers of the backpack, tied it to the actual metal framing of the golf cart. Also, we use this at the beach. Again, you bring your beach bag, and you just put it through the zippers. Make sure you have like the 2 zippers so they stay closed. And then I just tie this several times around the beach chair or beach table, usually something heavy. I mean, it just plays as a deterrent, so you don't want to go super far from your stuff, but that just gives you a little peace of mind, and then you're not having to buy a locker or go back and forth to the locker to get what you need. Like, that's a hassle. If I just want to go out to the ocean or I want to go to the bar real quick, I don't want to have to drag everything with me. It's a 2-in-1 foldable, large, waterproof tote bag. It's got 2 zippers, one on the outside and then one that zips it once I turn it into this bag that you're fixing to see. I paid $20.69 for it on Amazon. I like the black and white flamingos. They look catchy, but it's a huge bag. Really nice pull bag, beach bag, waterproof, easy to fold into itself. It's sturdy and resistant to rips, and trust me, I've taken this several times and it still looks brand new. It zips up. I don't like the beach bags that are just left open, because when I bring things, you know, I want them to be secure. It has a little outside zip up pocket. You know, you want to keep your sell and sign card, because you always need that, and your ID when you get off. You definitely want the zippers if you're going to use this lock I was talking about, because you need to weave it in and out of all the little zippers. Put it all around the beach chair or whatever you're trying to secure it to, just as a deterrent. I'm not saying that your things aren't going to be, you know, still taken, but if you don't go far, I think you're going to be fine. Okay, this is a special gem. So it came in a 4-pack. It was $7.98. Came in black, pink, blue, and a maroon color. There's 10 individual compartments in each one. There's 4 large and 6 small. It comes with labels, but I made my own labels because I have a label maker and I like mine better. On this side, I put exactly what I have in here. That way you're not having to open it to find that one thing you need. You get a lot of little spots to put your medicine. They're like not going anywhere because that locks and then this locks again. So it's just double security. Then I keep one of these, and it's just for excursion, because I don't want to take all these on my excursion. So just things I think I'll need, like if I ate something that didn't work with me, or usually headaches from the sun. Takes up very little room. This is what you want. Things that are lightweight, that can do multifunctional. I even seen people put jewelry and stuff in here, earrings, to keep them separate. So many ideas. It's a luggage scale that helps you avoid the overweight fees at the airport. I paid $11, and now I believe it's $11.98 on Amazon. And this can hold up to 110 pounds, which I would never pack my luggage at full. It shuts off in 2 minutes. This little bad boy, I just keep it in the outside suitcase pocket, and then I always have it. Waterproof pouch fanny packs, and it doesn't have to be used as a fanny pack. One of the main colors was black. This isn't see-through, and then you could pick like blue, pink, another color, and this one is kind of like see-through. It's 100% waterproof, which it is, but you need to test it. Test it every time, because even a little pinhole is going to make it not waterproof anymore. So 2-pack was $8.66. I got it on sale, yay me. I know me and my husband, we fit our 2 iPhones and cards, cash. I mean, this is something that, yeah, you could keep that on you. Don't leave, you know, your cash and all that in the backpack tied to the chair. You fasten all 3 Ziploc after you put all your little stuff in there. It velcros, and then it's this little bag. As fast as we're off the ship and the other people are on the ship to start their cruise, I don't think everything gets, you know, detailed clean. I love packing cubes. It just organizes your trip a little more, makes you feel a little more controlled, clean, organized. I'm ready for this. I know where my stuff is, and I'm packed really well. It makes it worth it. If you want to unpack on your cruise, but you don't want to have to, you know, wipe down all the drawers, like you don't know what people keep in there. We do bring wet wipes, but I don't want to go as far as having to clean the whole drawer. So what I do is, when I unpack, I keep my clothes and my cubes. I'll keep like undergarments in one, and then I just unzip it, and then I put it in my drawer, or I put it on my shelf, and it stays right here, but it's unzipped, it's open, it's for me, but it's not touching, you know, everyone else's stuff that they had in there. So I got this aqua color hubby. I got him the black. And then when we're in one big suitcase, then I know what's mine, what's his. Mine is on sale because I paid maybe $22, and I think now it's on sale for 17 something, just for a limited time. So they usually have a sale based on what color you want. How about these really cute beach towel clips? We always bring a few of these on our excursion to the beach. We use them on the cruise ship. You don't want your towel flying away. You get 8 of these clips on Amazon for like $6 or under. We'll clip these to the backpack when we're going on our excursion, just save room, or we don't have to keep them inside the backpack. Then let me know. On a windy day, especially at the ocean, you don't want to have to fight and hassle with your beach towel. It's also good for hanging up your wet clothes. You got an umbrella and you changed your bathing suit and you're fixing to head back, and you just want it to kind of dry a little bit before you have to put it in your backpack. You know, you don't want that moldy, wet smell. If you enjoyed today's vlog, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.